The Magger68 is an innovative keyboard that strikes the perfect balance between customization and gaming performance. It not only boasts excellent customization options, but also features the latest generation of magnetic switch solutions, quick, visually appealing, and user-friendly. The split top and button case sandwich structure of Magger68 offers better stability and texture, despite higher costs. The structure provides a more stable typing sound and a comfortable key feedback. Additionally, the aluminum positioning plate inside enhances stability and durability, resulting in a crisper typing sound. With a front height of only 16.5mm, the ultra-low design combined with magnetic switch technology ensures a light and smooth typing experience even during extended use, significantly reducing fatigue and making it ideal for high-frequency operations. The anodizing process reaches 220 mesh, offering a refined touch and excellent wear resistance and corrosion protection, ensuring it stays shine and new even with long-term use. In collaboration with the renowned Alloy Hat custom team, it uses high-quality PBT material with outstanding design and excellent touch. It further enhances the product's uniqueness. The exclusive Gateron Custom Dual-Track Magnetic Pro switch offers sensitive and stable performance, with finely tuned magnetic activation for higher trigger accuracy and faster response times. We're committed to bringing exceptional structure design to gaming keyboards while making game features easier to customize. That's why we introduced the Magger68.